Just pass the ball. We are not messing. No one is messing.
Before I went to Barcelona, so they had two sportive directors. One of them was Eric Abidal. He said, yes, we want you. So then the other sportive director said, we want you. The president said, we want you. The coach said, we want you. And I said, perfect, I'm going to sign tomorrow. They said, nah, we need to speak to Leo first.
Did anyone tell Messi, like, you should have passed the ball then, like, you dribbled a bit too much? Did anyone?
No, you can't. Because he would never do a mistake.
Let's just say Messi makes a mistake. Are you telling Messi that's a mistake, bro?
First of all, he doesn't make a mistake.
Oh.
He used to shoot, bro. 100 shots, 98 goal. But I'm telling you, it's not normal. Top bins, bang, against Ter Stegen. And I told him in Germany, come on, man, what's wrong? He said, I can't. The perfect pace, right in the corner, next to the post, every time. When he missed, we thought he's sick, like he has fever.
Yeah.
Por ejemplo, yo he jugado muchas veces contra Messi. Yo solo no consigo parar. Pero solo no es imposible, Tomás. Solo es imposible. Tenía ayuda de Luka Modric, Toni Kroos, Sergio Ramos. Solo yo era imposible conseguir. Era imposible, ¿no? Esos jugadores es imposible, es imparable.